I'm very happy. I'm so lucky to meet it. I have a chili sauce, and then I'm going to eat this chili sauce with the fruit. It looks like so yummy. It is very green, everyone. Maybe it's yummy or not. So let me eat. Wow. This one. Can you see, everyone? So let me eat the fruit. Wow. I take one to eat with chili sauce. Like this. It's so small, but I don't know it tastes too. It is the forest fruit. Everyone, can you know its name? Wow. I think that we can eat this. Wow. It's better and sweet, everyone. It's better and sweet, but it's so yummy. So, one more. So good. Eat with me, everyone. Like I always tell all of you in other video, I always say that my village have a lot of fruit like this, especially forest fruit like this, because of my hometown is the countryside, so have a lot of forest fruit like I eat. It is a kind of forest fruit, but I don't know its name too. I just know that we can eat this fruit. And it is so yummy too. Everyone, I forget to tell you guys about these chili shoes. You can look at this. Wow. Can you see, everyone? It is more very hot. It hot or not? Everyone, can you see it? I think it hot and it tastes it hot too. So let me eat this chili juice with forest fruit, everyone. Wow, it is a lot. It is so green. Yeah. Find other more. Everyone, the right on me is so a lot too. Yeah, like this. Wow. Like this too. Yeah. I take this one. I want this. Yeah. It's so difficult to get it, everyone, because it's full of. Oh yeah. Oh, so hurt. But I'm going to take it. Yeah. We do like this to have it. Yeah. Wow. It's difficult to take it, everyone, because it is a kind of forest fruit. Oh yes, I got it, everyone. So eat this with me. We make the chili sauce, everyone, to be like this, and then I'm going to eat this fruit. Yeah. Wow. Eat like this. lot of chilies, everyone, but I can't eat it. And this one, which one? Yeah, I want this. So let me get it. Like I tell you already, everyone, it's very difficult to take it because of it full of I don't know how to call it, but you can look at by yourself. It like like this. Why it's so difficult to take? Everyone, the sound of frog. It's so naturally with the sound of bird and the sound of frog too. So now I get it, everyone. It's difficult to get, but I try the best to get it like this. We clean it. We clean it and then we eat like this. Eat this with chili sauce. Wow, it's so hot. It's healing hot. I think it is enough for me, everyone. So let me say goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to watch me in another next video. I'm going to find more fruit and I'm going to find how to cook and the new recipe for you all, guys. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. Yeah, thank you. Goodbye.